Track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
I'm joined now by Storm Team 3 meteorologist Ryan Knapp. Ryan, sounds like we're going to be kicking off the new week with some cold temperatures once again.
Well, the good thing is it won't last very long. It's only going to be into Sunday and Monday before we start more of a Minnesota and Iowa style warm-up as we head into the middle of next week. So current conditions right now, those temperatures are starting to plummet as we are already into the upper teens. But if you want to look at the bright side of things, we are still about 11 degrees warmer than where we were at this time just yesterday. It won't stay that way for long because our winds now coming out of the west and northwest at 22 miles per hour. I can hear it just from inside the studio. Some of those wind gusts are becoming rather strong, and it's going to stay that way as we head through the rest of this evening. Taking a live look right now over downtown Rochester, still snow covered because temperatures are still cold enough for us to see the snow on the ground, and for the most part we've seen a few clouds in the sky, but as we head into tomorrow we'll be looking at some more sun. Take a look at this. There's all that warm air that we were seeing today now making its way over towards the east and towards the Great Lakes. You look a little further off towards the west, there's all that blue, as some areas right now are seeing temperatures 13 degrees colder than where we were just this time yesterday. Miles City, 30 degrees colder than where they were just 24 hours ago. Minneapolis still at 5 degrees warmer. We're still sitting there at around 11, and same into North Iowa at around 13 degrees warmer than where we were just yesterday. Here comes that cold air. It's surging in from out of the northwest, that Arctic blast, allowing for much of us to find ourselves back into the teens, and then overnight lows again back down close to zero, if not into the negatives. And the way that temperatures have been continuing to fall, I am expecting us to be well into the negatives here for tonight as well. Strong wind gusts, though, that will allow for us to see wind chill values close to almost 20 degrees below zero again for tonight. So it's going to be very chilly. We don't have any advisories up. We don't have any warnings up by any means, but just take into note that when we have some of these stronger wind gusts on the order of 35 to even 40 miles per hour, we will see those wind chill values well into the negatives. So it'll be another chilly start as we head into your Sunday. Speaking of Sunday, look at these morning temperatures still at 1 degree, if not one below, as we work into 8 a.m. Winds still coming in from out of the northwest. I guess the only good side about it is that there'll be a lot of sunshine, so might feel a little nicer into the sun. Winds as well starting to die down as we head through the day, so that's also a good sign, allowing for that wind chill value to start to kind of pick up back to the actual temperature. We're only looking at highs though close to 6 degrees. So for the morning, again, cold as you just saw those morning temperatures. By the afternoon, lots of sunshine, so I guess that's one good thing to look at when it comes to your Sunday. But by the time we get back into the evening, we'll be looking at overnight lows back into the negatives again as we head into Monday. Sky Tracker 3 stays quiet through much of Sunday, cloud-free, lots of sunshine, although those winds still moving in from out of the northwest, ushering in that cold air. It won't be until the sun sets that we see some of those clouds move on in, and then overnight Sunday into Monday morning, very early Monday morning, somewhere around the 1 or 2 o'clock time frame Monday morning, we could be looking at maybe some light flurries moving through with this cloud coverage. But other than that, I think things will be just fine here as we head into Monday. We'll just be very cold. So there's that cold air moving in for Sunday and into Monday. That milder air starts to arrive as we push into midweek, and that was all that light green and even some light blues you saw move across southern Minnesota and North Iowa, bringing us some temperatures close to freezing, if not above that freezing mark. So take a look at the 7-day forecast here with the weekends always in view. We're going to be sunny here as we head into Monday and really Sunday into Monday. Although we are going to be cold, there is actually some warmer temperatures though on the horizon here in the 7-day forecast.